Well, good morning. It's the 22nd of November and we're leaving Greenwood. I just lowered up the trailer and came around that corner and I got flat. Right front. Rolled off the rim. Must have just been low when I turned really sharp. It came off the rim. Glad it didn't happen in traffic on Verrazzano-Narrows Bridge, which is where I'm going next. Anyway, so that slowed me down a little bit, but I'm off to Kingston crossing, Kingston, Ontario, to get back into Canada. The reason I chose Kingston, even though I'm going west to British Columbia, normally I would cross at Buffalo, New York, but there's been a blizzard there with something like 7 feet of snow, so I don't think I'll be crossing at Buffalo. And onto the Verrazzano-Narrows Bridge over the mouth of the harbor to Manhattan, to New York City. I love this bridge. New York Harbor. You can just see the Statue of Liberty down there if you're careful. Amazingly, from New York to Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, this is the only piece of footage I shot. It's meaningless and it's dull, so we'll move on. Welcome to winter. Well, welcome back to Travels with Geordie in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. This isn't exactly what I had in mind, but I'll just power across the country and I'll be in Victoria, BC, where it's balmy and warm. Eventually. What do you think, puppy? Cheers. Well, what a day it's been. Cold here in Sault Ste. Marie. I managed to winterize the trailer. Spent several hours under the trailer with a hairdryer thawing the mainly the pipes that cross over to the outside shower, which are outside. Wasn't ideal, but I never intended to use this trailer in this kind of weather. Was able to get all the tanks, all the fresh water flushed, and the gray and the black water tank have plenty of RV antifreeze in them, so they'll be fine. I'll actually be able to flush the toilet as I cross the country with RV antifreeze, so that's good. Well, we're off from Sault Ste. Marie to Thunder Bay. It'll be a 10-hour plus drive, depending on the roads. The highway department says the roads are clear, but so far they're basically packed ice. So we'll see how we do. Obviously, I'm not going to take any chances. It's cold as hell, minus 12. Anyway, it's a good drive. Cheers to you. Well, we're cruising along the top of Lake Superior. Really not a bad day. The sun's coming out, and not a bad view, really. Some of it. Road conditions and forecast were wrong. Called for sunshine and clear roads, and we have blowing snow and ice pellets and snow all over the road. So I'm not too keen on this. I'm going pretty slow. Slippery conditions for a car are annoying. Slippery conditions for a truck and a trailer are really, really creepy. So I'm only about 20 kilometers from Wawa, where I'm pretty sure I'll be stopping for the day. Anyway, so that puts a damper on productivity for today. We won't get to Thunder Bay until tomorrow, losing another day, but perhaps staying alive. Cheers! Okay, so we're staying in Wawa at a rather desolate truck stop. It's empty right now. I see a lot of trucks pulling off though, because the roads are really getting nasty, so I don't know how many more will be in this big lot this afternoon, this evening. We only traveled 4 hours today. The forecast is getting worse and worse for the rest of my trip across the country. Really crummy time of year to do this. Well, you wouldn't think so, but it's just pretty crummy weather. Anyway, we have lots of propane and lots of heat, lots of food. Well, good morning, Thunder Bay, Ontario. It's gonna be a long haul through to Winnipeg. Probably won't make it to Winnipeg actually, because I have a late start. Had to do some banking. Probably Kenora. It's minus 22 with a cold night. Taped up my scuttle vents because they leak a little, and it's the only thing that's really leaking into the truck, so we'll stay warm today. Everything in the trailer is frozen. I had to thaw my eggs before I could fry them this morning. Anyway, so we're on the road. It's a sunny day, which is a good sign. Hoping the roads are clear. Hoping they're better than they are basically here. Cheers. Well, we're at Walmart, Winnipeg. It's actually a huge shopping center here, all kinds of stuff. The last hour of the drive. Hey puppy, how are you? Oh, he's so happy. He loves snow. I don't. The last hour of the drive was not fun. Pretty much blowing snow on the highway and ice. It was very slippery in some conditions. Okay, people have been doing donuts out here already. Hopefully no one will slam into me over the night. Alright, let's get some heat on. It's cold, but it's not desperately cold. I'm guessing minus 18, somewhere in there. Minus 15.